Just a little peek at my garden, one of the gardens this morning after the 2 days of gale winds, and I wanted to show my bio beds. So this bed next to the tunnel here where there's Lysianthus down at the far end, I handmade that bed. And the bed was made with a shovel, and then I laid the Bio 360 by hand. And then these other beds, sorry about my shadow, these were made by my tractor. So just demonstrating that when it's laid properly, it does really hold up to the wind. And the secret is a flat bed top, so the bio is laying on soil, not flapping in wind, and that the edges of the bed are sealed with soil. And that blocks the air, and that is the key, friends. Beautiful morning in southeastern Virginia, even though the wind is still kind of blowing a little bit, but nothing like yesterday.